It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. We have some nail mail, okay? We got some nail mail from Afro Glam Nails. As y'all know, I love Afro Glam Nails so much so that I am also an ambassador for Afro Glam Nails. So definitely check the description bar for my coupon code. But guess what, y'all? If y'all been looking and searching for Afro Glam Nails, the site will be back up on January the 31st. Okay, so I have something new that is going to be available on that day. Now, it's so many new things that you're going to find. Some acrylic brushes, 100% Kolinsky, a lot of new acrylic colors, and this is one of them. Okay, this one is this beautiful orange. Look at that, and y'all know how I feel about the orange. Of course, I'm wearing some orange now. But this one is called Litt, y'all, and it is that. I got me a new bottle of monomer. Y'all know I've been trying to, use it sparingly, but I got me a new bottle so we can just go ham, okay? So we're going to be using those today, and anything else outside of that, I'm just going to have fun and just try to create something beautiful, okay? So sit back, relax, and just enjoy the video. Okay, so the nails have been filed, shaped, buffed, all of that good stuff. And what I did for the pinky and the thumbnail, I just went in with that Litt acrylic and then put the butterflies on top of that. So for these three, we have a little peekaboo action, okay? We have a little diagonal edge over here. Here we have this little straight line. And here I have the smile line in the Litt. And then the French part is the see-through with the butterflies. So now I'm going to go in with some top coat. And to clean all of my dust away, I did use some Young Nail Swipe. And I'm going to apply my top coat and pop these into the lamp. So if you are loving this acrylic, definitely go check out Afro Glam nails and grab you some, okay? And this design is something that I have been wanting to try for a while, so I decided to just go for it, and I think it came out great. Let me know in the comments how it came out to y'all. And also, because I have the see-through part, I am going to put some top coat underneath the nail as well. So I'm going to finish this up and show you what it looks like. And here they are, fresh out of the lamp. So I wanted to try something. I wanted to take this hand and try to put these on this hand so that I can get some really good pictures. Okay. Oh wow, that's gonna be cute. Okay, so this hand is posable, this one is not. This one is easier to work on because the fingers are so flexible. This one gives real client vibes. You know how they have the little stiff fingers. So this one is great to practice on as well. But I can move the fingers to do a little pose action. So I think I might do this method, kind of, you know, create on this one and take my pictures on this one. So this is really cute. I love this set. I love how the little see-through areas came where you just see the butterflies. Let me know in the comments if you would rock this set. Okay, I definitely would rock it. I wish I was rocking it right now. So let me know what y'all think about this set. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else third, okay? When you have God first, everything else will get in line, okay? I really love this set, y'all. Let me know how y'all feel about it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Itz Sirap family. And guess what, y'all? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello, hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you endorse. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.